The C8 Leon's infotainment system, like those in many modern cars, can sometimes freeze or malfunction. This section explains the two main types of resets and when to use them. A reboot or soft reset is a quick restart that clears temporary memory. To perform this, hold the power volume button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. Use this for minor freezes. A factory reset wipes all data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this through the Settings menu under Infotainment, System, Factory Reset. Use it for persistent issues, but remember to back up important data first, as this erases everything. Keep in mind, improper resets can cause issues. Frozen screens in the C8 Leon infotainment system are often caused by overheating, faulty USB connections, or app incompatibility. First, try a soft reboot by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset through Settings, System, Factory Reset. Ensure your system software is up to date to prevent these issues. Many newer models now have built-in diagnostics and even automatic restarts for freezes. C8 is moving towards over-the-air updates to reduce manual resets and cloud-based support via the MySet app for remote diagnostics. By 2026-2027, expect AI-driven diagnostics that preemptively reboot based on usage patterns. For persistent issues, consult a professional.